Good day, my name is Dandy Abella and this is laboratory exercise number 4 with the title Routing Protocol and Basic LAN Configurations. And first is for the course code of Cisco 101 Networking Basics. As usual, we have the objectives and you configure routers connection, construct a LAN to LAN connections, and design a simple network topology depending on the applications. As this is the networking basics, you will just pass below the procedures. Number 1, open Cisco private tracers, connect 3 PCs and 1 hub. So 3 PCs, 1, 2, 3, and 1 hub. Network devices, hub. Over cable, type the dragging cursors and you just to connect the connection type, automatic smart connections. And as you can see, your connections indicates green. And then the second procedure, PC LAN should have a different IP addresses, and two can be on NT and so forth and so on. So individual blessing. So you just configure each PC. Desktop, you just give me a default gateway of 168.168.1.1. 192.168. 1.9 time PC2 configuration C4 gateway pass Ethernet 192.168.1.2. Same as the PC3 for gateway, same pass Ethernet 192.168.1.30. And the good news PVC 103. Choose the router. You can select a router 841. It will ask around router A for LAN A. The network components and click on the box in the router. Router 841. So let's choose this. Okay. Construct the network, launch and below. Okay. Stay on equal 1 router 0. You can configure the router and to start configurations. Configurations, router 0, pass Ethernet. And 192.168.1.1. And Shamnes 2550. Make it on. Okay. And then also hosting. CSCO1 and click on the hostname field and type Cisco_1. Interpret status of making enable. Okay, all done. Number 10, granting new devices to the certification to the network company hubs and select connections. Then select serial receive connections after click on the CSCO1 router and connect the serial interface. So already connected, click on the new router and connect the serial interface. So use the copy. We have red. Let's also here choose red. So the indication that is successfully connected, there should be two green lights blinking. One is located at the output of CSCO1 and the other one is Cisco input of the copy of CSCO1. Green is red, it's mentioned also here. So let's try to do a simulation. Okay, let's see. Now, questions to be answered within the video. Question number 1 is what is the importance of the routing? Well, routing is important because it determines the best path for data to travel across networks. Without routing, devices in different networks would be able to communicate, making the internet and large-scale networks impossible. Question number 2, why do you need a router and why not use switch or hub? Well, hubs simply broadcast data to all connected devices, which is inefficient and leads to collisions. And switches are smarter than hubs because they forward data only to the intended recipient within the same network. While routers, however, enable communications between different networks by directing the data based on IP addresses, and also routers play a key role in inter-network communications, which is why they are essentials. Question number 3. Why is it important that each PC has a different IP address, I mean, and what will happen if we will use the same IP address? Well, each PC must have a unique IP address because an IP address functions as a device identifier in the network. The device relies on unique IP addresses to properly send and receive data. If multiple PCs share the same IP address in a network, it causes an IP conflict, leading to connectivity issues. Devices won't know where to send data correctly, resulting in failures and communications. So in this activity, after completing this activity, I was able to configure router connections, constructed a LAN-to-LAN connections, and send a simple network topology. This activity has reinforced my knowledge in networking principles and best practices. And that's it for laboratory exercise number 4, routing protocol and basic LAN configurations. Thank you and have a good day.